Chapter 4. Investment Strategies for Success. Welcome to Chapter 4 of Capital Markets 101, Navigating the Financial Seas. In this segment, we delve into the essential realm of investment strategies, equipping you with the knowledge and tools to navigate the markets and work towards financial success. Understanding investment strategies. Begin your exploration by gaining a clear understanding of what investment strategies entail. Recognize that these are systematic approaches to allocating capital with the goal of achieving specific financial objectives. Whether you're aiming for capital growth, income generation, or a balanced approach, understanding the nuances of different strategies is crucial. Long-term investing, anchoring in stability. Navigate through the concept of long-term investing, emphasizing the importance of anchoring your investment approach in stability. Understand the benefits of adopting a patient perspective, allowing your investments time to grow and weathering short-term market fluctuations. Explore the historical success stories of long-term investors and how their strategies have stood the test of time. Diversification, spreading risks across the seas. Delve into the strategy of diversification, a fundamental principle of risk management. Explore how spreading your investments across different asset classes, sectors, and geographic regions can help mitigate the impact of adverse market conditions. Understand the art of constructing a diversified portfolio tailored to your risk tolerance and financial goals. Value investing, seeking hidden gems. Embark on the value investing strategy, popularized by legendary investors like Benjamin Graham and Warren Buffett. Explore the principles of identifying undervalued assets and investing in them with the expectation of their intrinsic value being recognized over time. Understand how a disciplined approach to fundamental analysis forms the cornerstone of successful value investing. Growth investing, riding the waves of innovation. Navigate through the growth investing strategy, which focuses on identifying companies with high growth potential. Explore how growth investors seek opportunities in sectors and industries poised for expansion, often targeting companies at the forefront of technological innovation. Understand the dynamics of growth investing and how it aligns with the pursuit of capital appreciation. Income investing, harvesting yield in the markets. Explore the income investing strategy, where the primary goal is to generate a steady stream of income from investments. From dividend-paying stocks to bonds and real estate investment trusts, REITs, understand how income investors build portfolios that provide a regular cash flow. Recognize the importance of assessing yield, risk, and sustainability in income-focused strategies. Risk management strategies, navigating choppy waters. Delve into risk management strategies designed to help you navigate the sometimes choppy waters of the markets. Explore concepts such as setting realistic investment goals, conducting thorough research, and staying informed about market trends. Understand how risk management is an integral part of successful investment strategies. Conclusion: charting your course to success. As you conclude this chapter, envision yourself charting a course to investment success. Recognize that there is no one-size-fits-all approach, and the most successful investors often combine elements of different strategies to align with their unique financial objectives. Armed with the knowledge gained in this chapter, you're better prepared to set sail confidently into the next chapter of Capital Markets 101.